With the sky tumbling down in great big drops of joy, I realized the truth. That little slice of heaven that I've been seeking is right here in this rainy day. So I groove on to that pitter, patter, pitter, drip, drip, splash. Plop, plop, squish, plop, plop, squish is the sound of happiness. There ain't an ounce of rainy day boredom in these bones. These puddles were made for stomping. So pull on your boots and out into the wonderful world of whether we go to sing, to dance, to play between those glorious globs of liquid sky.